Back from break with some disturbing news. The Wall Street Journal reports that the number of middle-aged Americans dying from heart disease is on the rise. And here's a stat you don't want to hear. Corpus Christi ranks third out of all major metro areas for heart disease deaths among people between the ages of 45 and 64. Roland Rodriguez joins us now live from Doctors Regional Hospital with more. Hey, Roland.
Good evening, Seth, and good evening, South Texas. Doctors believe that, I guess you could say, lifestyle factors are a big reason for the surge.
I was surprised. I thought we had made strides locally to diminish our cardiovascular death rates, but unfortunately, I was proved wrong when I read that article.
We know that in the United States, close to 50% of Americans have at least one major risk factor for heart disease.
Compared to the national average, the middle-aged people in Corpus Christi are less likely to be on statins, medications for cholesterol, more likely to be obese, more likely to be sedentary, more likely to smoke, and have a higher sodium intake than the rest of the nation.
The death rate from the chronic debilitating condition rose 20.7% between 2011 and 2017 and is likely to keep climbing.
So we have some local issues that need to be tackled with prevention, and once you have it, with aggressive treatment.
An increase in body mass index, for example, can lead to diabetes and then high blood pressure related heart disease or heart failure.
I think we need to be more aggressive locally. We need to start with prevention, obviously starting in the middle schools and elementary schools, teaching healthy living, avoiding a heavy weight. That's very important, avoiding salt intake.
Another factor is that middle-aged people simply ignore their symptoms.
You're exactly right. You know, over the last 25 years, I've lost patients to heart disease. Some of them were unexpected. The symptoms may be like stomach upset. It's very difficult to predict, but we do know that if you're high risk for heart disease, you have to be very careful about ignoring symptoms.
Let me also add that another underlying factor is stress. Corpus Christi is one of the stressed cities in the state of Texas, coming in at number 3 behind Houston and San Antonio. Reporting live from Doctors Regional Hospital, Roland Rodriguez, Chris, 6 News.
Taking the bronze medal in 2 bad categories there. Thanks, Roland.